Welcome to Box Weather. That cuts of low weather system responsible for the adverse weather conditions the past few days will remain semi-stationary over the west coast, so more stormy weather expected on Friday. So let's look at the forecast. Overnight into Friday, that low pressure system deepening and basically just sliding off the west coast. We're expecting more stormy conditions the afternoon to develop over northwest, extending into Gauteng, and then another band redeveloping. We're expecting severe thunderstorms here over parts of northwest and the Free State. Thunderstorms also expected to extend over the Karoo, which includes the Western and Eastern Cape. And then into the weekend, that low pressure system slowly starting to move eastwards and weakening, but a band of thunderstorms expected over the interior of the country that will slowly spread northeastwards across South Africa. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast this Friday for large parts of the Karoo, moving into the Eastern Cape. Widespread showers and thunderstorms for the Free State and parts of northwest, and a band of scattered thunderstorms the afternoon will extend from northwest, also reaching Gauteng, with later stormy conditions moving over KwaZulu-Natal. There's a possibility of severe thunderstorms over all 9 provinces of South Africa. The Weather Service has issued a level 2 yellow warning for severe thunderstorms, which could lead to large amounts of hail, disruptive rainfall, gusting winds, as well as excessive lightning on Friday. Starting with your forecast in the Western Cape, that cut of low expected to slide over the west coast will bring more stormy conditions down from the Karoo over parts of the Winelands. There's also a likelihood of a few thunderstorms reaching the mother city, but most of the stormy weather expected over the interior here over Laingsburg, becoming scattered over Beaufort West, and also a few thunderstorms likely to reach the Little Karoo with an easterly wind blowing along the coast. Thunderstorms becoming scattered over the northern and interior of the Eastern Cape. We still have a level 2 yellow warning in place. Those thunderstorms could become severe, excessive lightning possible, and large amounts of hail, as well as over the northeastern areas in the vicinity of Matatiele and Kua. In KwaZulu-Natal, northeasterly winds along the coast, and then later thunderstorms becoming scattered over Kokstad and Pietermaritzburg. Also a chance of a few thunderstorms reaching the coastal areas on Friday from late afternoon. Partly cloudy skies for Mpumalanga, a few isolated thunderstorms likely over the Highveld, and it's a hot and humid day for the Lowveld. Becoming partly cloudy in Limpopo with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s, and then later a band of scattered thunderstorms reaching the Bushveld with a few isolated thunderstorms likely over the interior. It's a mostly cloudy day for northwest with a band of showers and thunderstorms expected on Friday, with isolated thunderstorms the afternoon over the eastern areas. In the Northern Cape, thunderstorms expected to develop over parts of the Karoo, including moving over Kolfia and Sutherland, with a band of isolated thunderstorms extending over the Eastern Cape, becoming scattered to widespread over the Free State. Winds expected to pick up ahead of the stormy weather. The South African Weather Service warning against disruptive rainfall in places which could lead to localized flooding. On Friday afternoon, scattered thunderstorms expected to move over Gauteng, mostly cloudy skies with temperatures in the mid-20s. And then into Saturday, that band of showers and thunderstorms slowly spreading northeastwards, moving over Gauteng and reaching Limpopo as well as Mpumalanga. Into Sunday, most of the stormy conditions expected to clear, except for a ridging high pushing in a few hours along the eastern escarpment into Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.